Let's look at this question 3 on angles on the parallel line. So when you look at this diagram, what can you see? You will notice that we are asked to find the missing angle, which is S. And there's a pair of parallel lines, which is this line and this line. And from our first question, we said that parallel lines are extendable. So we can extend this parallel line to this way, which will give you this. And we can name here to be G. So you will notice that this angle ABC is also equal to FBG. That is vertical opposite angles. We say that when angles that are opposite to each other at a point where two lines intersect, they are equal. So we now have here to be 64 degrees. That is angle ABC is equal to FBG. Therefore, FBG will now be equal to 64 degrees. So from here, we have gotten this angle, and we are asked to find the missing angle, which is S. And when you look at these two parallel lines, you will notice that this angle S is an alternative angle to this value, which is S is now equal to 64 degrees. So from here we have S is equal to 64 degrees. That is alternative angles. So this is our answer to this question. Please click on the subscription button to get more questions on angles on a parallel line. Thank you.